Hel- Hello everyone and welcome. So in this part we will handle the lives and we will handle the scores. So let's start. First of all, we will first here in the clone YB, all our sprites are going in the same level. So here I would like to add a pick random. And in the pick random, we will have 14 to 18. So you could tweak with that. And here in 15, I will change it to 10. Okay. And our gravity, which is the fruits moving down, is too fast. So we will slow that down a bit. And this was 15 to 18. And so we'll put it negative 0.55. And here also negative 0.55. Yep. So that's it for this. And then we will create a new sprite. And here we will import our score. So it is here. So this is the score icon. And we will set its size to around 50. And we will place it in -2 to -2 to 2 and 158. So that was a good position. And here we will create a new variable score. Okay, and here we will make it like the pick mode and we will keep it here. Right? And so once we have done that, we will add a when clicked. Okay, and here we will set our score to 0. And here where we are doing this, here we will check that if clone type is equals to fruit, means that the fruit isn't sliced. Nope. Here, yeah, here. In if touching mouse pointer, here we will add a change score by 1. Okay. Then after that, we will create a new sprite. And here we will add everything from the not good fruits. So upload. Yep. Now what we'll do is this size will be around 60. And we will place it at the X 183 and the Y at 152. Yep. And here, basically in our Fruit Ninja, we see the lives lost, not the actual lives. So we will name it lives lost and you will understand what I told you just now. So what I told you just now that here, so that'll be we have the height of 60 and then like size of 60. So we will set life lost to 0 and we will when clicked. And here, that's what I was telling before. So we will grab an if, okay. And if our clone type is fruit, that means and we will delete the clone regardlessly. So clone type is fruit means the fruit isn't sliced. So we will broadcast a message in control. So, events broadcast as live lost. Okay. Now here, when I receive live lost, okay, we will first change lives lost by 1. Okay. And then we will switch to costume. And we will add a switch costume here also. And that'll be the first. And as you can see, 0, 1, 2, 3, they are numbered like that. So we can directly use the lives lost variable on there. Okay, so the same here we can put it. Yep. And then to have a little of animation, we will add a repeat 2. Okay, and we will go to change x by -2. Okay, and then we'll wait for maybe 0.05 seconds. Okay, and then we'll duplicate it, and again we'll change x by 4, and again we will change x by -2. So let's try that. Okay, so you can see that now. That's it. So we will remove the lives lost. Now one problem you might see that after 3 it is done, it becomes to 0. So we will fix that, because in the next part, as there we will do the game over logic. So thank you all. Bye bye. See you in the next part.